Hello. In this lesson, we will learn how to write in cursive two Russian letters V and B. So they are both such-called ascender letters. So they will ascend into upper space above the header. But you know already how to write letter B from English orthography. So I don't think it will be very difficult for you guys. Good. Let's begin with letter V. Keep in mind, guys, we are in Russian language, in Russian language environment. Forget about B. This is the letter V. V. So you understand how do we supposed to write it? So we connect to the oval, kind of ascending loop, something like that. What I recommend you to do, I recommend you to do it backwards. First, start with loop. Yeah, connector, start with loop, like that. First, you draw the loop, and then you finish it with oval. So, practice with this verse, sorry. So once again, loop and then oval. And after practicing, go back to my video and we will try to write a couple of Russian words. So the word I picked for practicing is voda. Voda means water. You remember, guys, how tricky this vowel O acts in Russian words. So when O is not stressed, we pronounce it almost always as A. So we say voda. But when we write this word, we write O as the second letter, voda. So let's start with V. Loop, oval. Now we have to connect V to O. We use connector. Oval for O. Now we have to connect O to our D. We use another connector. Next we write D. If you don't remember how to write D, go to my lesson number 3. We practice with D in this lesson. So we write first oval, and then we draw kind of descending loop, like that. To this descending loop, we connect our last oval for A, and we finish it with a right-looking hook. So, voda. And I know that this word is very demanding, so you need really spend your time with practicing. So click on pause this video and write this word voda at least 10-15 times. Always pronounce it loudly. First letter is V, not B. V, voda. Keep in mind, so here we have many ovals. Keep all these ovals between these two horizontal lines, between header and baseline, and try to keep the same angle, this main slant angle. When you finished, go back to my video and click on play and keep watching. So the second word I choose for practicing with V is the word dvor. Dvor means court or backyard. So I picked very nice picture of typical backyard from Russian village, dvor. So we start with the oval, descending loop, and here is very important, guys. Try to connect this loop to the ascending loop of letter V, like that. Finish with oval. No? Look, this is very good, very nice connection. Please practice with this. And then we use connector. We put oval for O, a connector again, and then we draw downstroke, log downstroke, and we finish with curve for R. So this is important. Second letter is V. Last letter is R. Dvor. Okay, spend your time. Click on pause this video, spend your time and write at least 10-15 times this word. Yeah, try to keep writing like kind of very smooth, but increase your speed. This is important, and try to write it in one move. Dvor. Very important is this connection between D and V, and keep all your letters except loops between two horizontal lines, and always keep this angle Okay, try to increase your speed. After practicing, go back to my video. We have one more word to practice with. Letter B. B is pretty tough. You don't have this letter in English alphabet. Um, how do I write B? First of all, we write an oval. We draw an oval, and from this oval, I drive kind of from down to upstroke like that with little curve, and then I finish with horizontal line. As you see, it has a little bit kind of wave, kind of tidal, but I mean, you can just draw the horizontal line. It's nothing at all. So this is really letter demands practicing. Okay, once again, yeah, and we use connector once again, oval, and then kind of hook here, oval, and then we finish it with hook. So this is letter B, Russian B. Okay, pause video and practice. So write it many times, and after that we will look at words we can use for practicing. So the first word I choose is Russian baba. Baba means grandmother. So I pick here a very nice picture of Russian babushka, baba. So let's practice. So here we practically create two syllabuses with B and A. So we start with B, oval, stroke, connector, oval for A, hook, oval for B, now this hook, connector, and second A, baba. Very nice. Again, we have many ovals. Practice with this word. Yeah, write it 10 times and repeat loudly baba, baba. Stressing is on first R. And after that, go back to my video. The second word I picked is rab. Rab means slave. I picked this word because I want to see how do we connect b to the end of our word. So we start with Russian r. So you remember downstroke, curve, then we connect oval for a, hook, and we connect b, oval, and then our hook. Rab, rab. So we pronounce like practically p at the end. Now this is a little bit tricky, rab. But when we write b, rab. First letter, keep in mind, is letter r, r. So practice with this word again. Write it many times. Increase your speed. Keep angle. Try to keep all your letters between two horizontal lines. And when you finish, go to my next lesson. Bye bye.